Hi everyone, this is Risa from Risa's Journal. Today I bought a new phone. I'm going to unbox the new phone and the accessories that I bought. This is my old phone, it's the Pixel 3. The case is a little grody, the back is cracked, but everything else works fine. The camera is unaffected, the screen is unaffected. Alright, here we go, let's enjoy the unboxing. This is the Pixel 4a. It's a very affordable phone. I think it was around $300. So this is my first look at the phone and it's so beautiful. It kind of reminds me of the iPhone design a little bit with the square camera in the back. Comparing my old Pixel 3 and my new Pixel 4a, the size is the same. The Pixel 3 is not full screen, whereas the Pixel 4a is a full screen phone. The back camera design also looks a lot different. Installing the screen protector is always such a scary process because there's dust and air bubbles and the like. Not too bad, no visible air bubbles or dust. Pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna move on to decorating my phone. I first wiped the back just in case there were any oils or whatever from my fingers. I'm not gonna think too hard about where I'm placing the stickers, just kind of, be random about it and trust that it'll look kind of okay at the end.